Hey there, how's it going? All right, moving on to the next activity on fifth grade. All right, today's topic is called types of communication exchanges. All right, make sure you're in the right worksheet before we begin. Just a quick reminder, you may always use dictionary, English and Spanish. All right, or any type of tool that you can use for translation. Okay, check out Google Translator. It works perfectly. All right, moving on. Number one, exercise number one. Place the words inside its corresponding category box, okay, and use the dictionary. All right, and then I have a short explanation in Spanish. I hope you can read it. All right, just in case you need it. Very well. Uh, so moving on, we have spoken. Okay, and I gave you a bit of a courtesy right there. Writing in Spanish, spoken, hablado. All right, just to give you a hint. Non-verbal, no verbal. Written, escrito. All right, just in case you didn't notice. All right, moving on. Spoken. So from inside the circle, there's a lot of words. Okay, you have to choose. Uh, Depending on the category, okay, the number of words that are hidden inside the circle. Okay, so you have to choose from all of those words and place them in the correct box. All right, number one, spoken. Okay, and then you have to look for one of those words inside the circle that corresponds to spoken communication. And then on the number three, four, five, and six, nonverbal. That means body language, like something you do by moving your hands. Okay, that type of communication. And lastly, written. Written is for communication that somebody wrote or that you yourself have to write. All right, and just place it in the space given. All right, moving on to exercise number two. Study the following greeting and farewell chart. Okay, so let's go over that chart that we just mentioned. It says greetings, and then on the right hand it says farewell. All right, formal and informal in both sides. All right, in greetings we have formal greetings and informal greetings. For farewells, we have formal and informal farewells. All right, let me give you a few examples of those. Formal, good morning. Okay, informal would be a hi or a hello. Okay, now for farewell, goodbye. Goodbye is a formal way of giving a farewell. And bye or see you later, see you around. Um, it's like when you have more. How can I tell you this? When you feel confident enough that the person you're talking to is a friend, okay, and not your boss or not your grandfather, okay, depending on how you handle stuff with your family, right? All right, moving on to number three. Okay, that was just a study. It was just a study because you're going to use it on the next exercise. On exercise number three. All right, it says write a formal, informal greeting or farewell that fits the conversation depending on who you're talking to. Okay, now for greeting from 12 to 15 are greetings. Okay, 16 to 18 are farewells. All right, so teacher, when you're talking to your teacher, okay, you have to talk formally. Okay, so use the left side of the greetings chart, okay, of formal greetings. Brother, on number 14, you know that your brother, okay, is not the same as talking to a teacher, okay, or your boss. All right, so you would say hello or what's up or how are things going? How's it going? Hey, okay. All right, on farewell, you're gonna do exactly the same. Okay, choose from formal and informal. All right, and write it down in the space given. All right, you guys, that will be everything for today. All right, thanks for everything, and see you next class.